Heart. Can you do it again? Oh, you dropped your spoon. Oh, time out for a goldfish. Okay. Good girl. It's in the bowl. Now can you put it in your mouth? Oh, good girl! Good girl! Yeah, you are learning, aren't you? Oh, that's the wrong end. That's the wrong end. It's tricky sometimes. Oh my goodness, look at you! Good girl! Good girl! Oh, that's pretty deep. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, this is like nothing, is it? Yeah? We're getting yogurt everywhere, but you are learning, aren't you? Mom left that TV pretty loud, didn't she? Good girl.